Are you interested in simplifying the remodel process when you purchase rental properties, when you purchase flip properties, when you have little to no experience in the trades? Now, I am no different. I needed something easy to follow, easy to implement, and ultimately something I can go on my computer and I don't have to run to and from the hardware stores, Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever it is in your area. So on my computer, what I specifically did is I skewed out, I grabbed all the material that we would use in a home renovation. All these different components of a house that we utilize within the remodel process. And now if a contractor needs something, or if the flooring installer needs something, or if a painter needs something, I go on my computer, I click, and I order right away without even having to think about it. And what this creates, at least in our business, is a model and a template for us to build off of. Now, are renovations very similar in look? Of course they are. With that being said, it also simplifies it for the contractors. So if you have the same contractor going from job to job, they don't get confused, they don't screw things up, they know exactly what to expect. So let's jump on my computer, I'll show you exactly what we're doing, and then you can see for yourself if it would work in your business. So as you can see here, I labeled it the material reference sheet. I just saved it within the Google Sheets system. And now on here, if we need like a kitchen sink, we have the SKU number, we have the price, we can price everything out. In our area, Menards is a huge supplier. It's one of the more reasonable suppliers, but I know you guys might use Lowe's or Home Depot or whatever the case is. So just build out a sheet of this magnitude for yourself and you will greatly appreciate it later on. We have kitchens, bathrooms, flooring, paint, framing, drywall, HVAC, plumbing, electrical, garage, doors, windows. We literally have everything built out. And the reason that I did this is because when one of my business partners, he left for the winter months, he went down to Florida, he was enjoying the sunshine, I was in charge of having to go through the entire remodel process. Now the remodel process was a lot. I was overwhelmed. I was working 70, 80, 100 hours per week to go to the store, buy material, spend hours at the store, picking everything out, throwing it in the cart, loading it up in my truck. It was to the point that I was just getting sick of it. But now I just jump on my computer, I might take a half hour, an hour. I literally order every single piece of material for the property. And to give you guys an example of this, come with me. I'm gonna walk you through one of our most recent flip properties and you can see that I spec'd out all the material and it's a very clean and sophisticated look.
No, I don't know if this is the first time that you guys have actually seen this property, but we are finally selling it. So after months, like we bought this place September or October of 2022, we are finally selling it. It took us literally like 7, 8, 9 months to remodel this specific one once we started on it, but it was a way bigger headache. You can see here, the design is clean. We always go with the white cabinetry. We go with the gray counters, stainless sinks, or this is a rental, or was going to be a rental. Typically now we put in like the black quartz sinks or something that looks a little bit nicer. Gray floors, white trim, like a grayish tan wall. It's very simple, it's very easy. This is what is still currently selling in Northeast Wisconsin. So that's why we continually do this very basic color scheme. But the one thing that I have to say about having all the information and all the material and all the miscellaneous stuff skewed out on a sheet like the one that I showed you is the fact that I can place 1, 2, maybe 3 large orders and everything can be shipped to the job site. So we can have contractors go from one job to the next and they know exactly what they're going to be doing. We literally can copy a scope of work and tell them, okay, here's what needs to be done. Change out the windows, change out the doors, change out the trim work, paint the trim, replace the cabinets, replace bathroom vanities, replace showers, sublay tile backsplashes. We just do it right. And once it is done right, we don't have to worry about it. We have a proven system, a proven process that gets houses leased up, that gets houses sold, and we don't need to recreate the wheel. So I encourage you, if you're doing any sort of remodeling, any sort of rental property, maintenance or repairs, do this for yourself, do this for your business. It will save you hundreds, possibly even thousands of hours for the future years to come. I greatly appreciate you watching as always, and I will see you in the next video.